So we simulate a real environment for our newer investigators, our child protective investigators, to be able to practice knocking on the door from the very first interaction that they have with the family. They practice introducing themselves to the family.
It's Patty Bott with Division of Children and Families.
And we want for them to feel that this is a very realistic experience.
Hi, are you Ricky?
Yes, ma'am.
Hey, Ricky. I'm Patty Bott. I'm with Division of Children and Families.
Okay.
So to see even the small details, the microwave, the refrigerator, the stove, just all of those different things that are things that you might not be able to do in a different room.
You get to see other people go through that simulation, which gives you points. Okay, well, I need to do this better, or I may need to change this. Okay, well, let me not say this because this makes them react this way.
Is your report saying that we hit our child?
No, sir.
Being able to get this real life experience, because this is actually what happens in the real world and we will have to apply it, makes it's going to make our job a little bit more easier when we do get out there by ourselves.
When you walk into any scenario, you have to be aware of your surroundings. So instead of sitting in a classroom talking about something, you're forced to really reflect upon what you're walking into. Who's there? What's around? Are there any danger threats? It really puts you in a close to real world situation.
Here, faculty, students, and professionals will actively engage in experiential learning, trainings, and opportunities for collaboration, things that bridge the gap between theory and real-world practice.